So abstract is nothing but a summary of your entire paper. The entire paper, like what you're presenting, the technical paper should be summarized in a way with all technical terms. So the technical terms plays an important role in your abstract. So you'll be having some idea of presenting a paper. You'll be having many scientific approaches or experimental things which you have to show in your paper. So that entire thing goes through with an abstract. So this abstract will be in short lines, a maximum of 10 to 15 lines, of course. So in the 10 to 15 lines, you're going to summarize the entire thing, what you're going to do, including what results you'll be getting, so what experiments you have done, and what exactly is your paper about. So when it comes to the selection procedure, reading your abstract, that is your summary, we'll get to know like what your ideas are. So this is what is the main thing you have to keep in mind while preparing the abstract. So you have to be careful, and you should also think that what ideas you are implementing in your papers is in your abstract, so that it should be clear for the person who is reviewing your paper that what your ideas are. So this is the main important thing which you have to cover in your abstract. So other than that, it's not a very difficult word, but be careful that in your abstract mention the keywords. If you have any important technical terms, you can just mention it in your keywords. And there's nothing else much about the abstract. So once you have a good abstract with good ideas, of course your papers will be selected. So seeing your ideas through your abstract, we can recognize like what ideas are you in and what is your inventions are if you are a very good inventor, or else we can even find out like what is your experiment up to. So this is what we can find out. So it's a very good recognition. Like in the first, we'll get to know what your paper is, what your ideas are. So even it depends upon how you present it later. If you have a very good idea about what paper you're going to do, your abstract may take on a minimum of 30 minutes, a maximum of 1 day. It depends upon what words you add up and what you actually want. So even if you are new to this abstract making, you can even take the help of the seniors who have presented it. So just make an entire summary of the concept, what you are implementing or what concept you are speaking about. Make it an entire summary. As you see, for a best example would be when you buy a novel. You just go to the review of what the entire novel is. It is the same here in abstract, so it is not a big deal. The only thing is you have to be precise in what you do. Hope we find a good paper in this particular TechTatva. We'll be hoping for your paper.